Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss an important topic. It's about health and especially the issue of hernia. So, there is one very common practice we have been doing in our cooking, that's to overheat the oils that we use in preparing our dishes. So, we put on the flame at the max and then pour oil in the frying pan and heat it up to the extent that it starts degenerating and producing glycated proteins. And those glycated proteins are like toxins for the muscles of the stomach. They weaken the muscles of the stomach and increase the propensity to develop hernia in our lives. So today we have come up with a recipe, a way, basically this is a way to redefine our cooking methods so that we can avoid such a problem. And right now we are going to prepare Indian salmon fish with bare minimum of spices and oil that's not added on high flames. Instead, this is added afterwards in order to save us from the problems of hernia. Enjoy the process. Thank you. Good evening, friends. Today I am preparing Indian salmon fish. My name is Sunil Kumar. This is the Indian salmon fish that I have procured from Fresh to Home, and it's 310 grams. I washed it and laid on the table in a plate. And these are the bare minimum spices I would be using. It has got onion, ginger, garlic and green chili. And to enhance my mood, I have one bottle of beer, and now we have a frying pan. In the frying pan we'll add not oil, mind it. This is my casserole for the spices. I'm using a small amount of turmeric. Put it here in the frying pan and stir it so that it releases some of its oils, nice oils that impart a tangy taste to the recipe. Now it's okay, this much is okay. Now we add all the things, all the spices that we have chopped into this. And mix them together. And as we are mixing, we'll drop our pieces into this. And it's getting sticky. To reduce the resistance, we'll add some oil. We have coconut oil here. A spoonful would do our purpose. And stir them so that they absorb all the spices. And if you need to add some more oil, you can do it. And keep the gas on sim. And turn it turn the downside up so that both the sides are covered. And see, we're covered with the spices, and add a small amount of water. Only a small amount, just because they would be releasing their own water as they boil up. Now we are using a technique that we have not fried the oil too much, and so that we are preserving the quality of the oil, because it's not degenerated, because any oil at a very high flames it gets degenerated and generates some poisonous proteins like glycated proteins that may cause hernia. So in order to avoid that, I'm using a different technique. I'm adding the oil afterwards and then putting the cover over it so that the steams would come up, strike the cover and cover the whole stuff. Boil it properly with the steams. Yeah, everything. Hello friends, in continuation of our dish, salmon fish, would be checking our contents after 5 minutes. So it's now 5 minutes and we are checking, opening the lid with a cloth and checking it. Now we see that it's almost done and water quantity is also reduced. Now we'll garnish it with coriander, finely chopped coriander, like this. And put the gas off and put the lid on for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, this is ready to be served. So I'm putting off the gas stove. Yeah. Okay, we'll resume after 3 minutes. Once again, we are back, and now our salmon fish is ready. Now we'll be serving it. It's nice, soft and firm pieces. Split. And transfer this remaining spices. So now our recipe is ready. I will be taking it, eating it with beer. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit and Смачного.